there always has to be a way of how we do binding on wood. One of the reasons that we do this is at least to add some design, because just plain wood, it kind of looks boring. But when you put cane on the table legs, at least it adds something. So right now what you're doing is called rattan binding on wood. This is whereby we use the round cane, we drill, then we twine the cane around the grooves. As you can see, this is how we do it. So once this has been done, we sand and we attach the legs to the mortise and turn on frame. Yeah. So thank you so much, and like and share our content. Thanks.